your NBC26 Storm Shield forecast with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
A little bit of a cloudy start to the day today, but then as we went into the afternoon hours, that sunshine did return, and that actually allowed us to warm up a little more than what we were anticipating at this time yesterday. Got into the mid-30s for many of us. That was a nice break, especially considering just a few days ago it was very chilly with highs in the single digits. But winter weather is once again returning. We have a winter weather advisory in effect for areas north of Highway 10. So that does include Green Bay and areas north, York County, Kewaunee County. It starts tomorrow, late afternoon, early evening, and continues until Sunday, right around lunchtime. Now, it's quiet right now. We will not see anything until later in the early evening hours tomorrow. So if you got any plan to do, perhaps have to go out or do something, the first half of the day, you're going to be okay. But here's the storm system right now developing very quickly over the Rockies, and this is going to lift up to the northeast by tomorrow afternoon. Over a dozen states are under some type of winter weather headline, whether it's a winter storm watch, winter storm warning, or a winter weather advisory because of this system. The highest snowfall totals will be in perhaps near a foot of snowfall. That most likely will be occurring over western Minnesota and the eastern Dakotas. But as for us, we'll still see a couple inches of snowfall. It just won't be the highest totals. So let's take a look at SkyCast. Increasing cloud cover overnight tonight. Then as we get into the afternoon tomorrow, the first band of the precipitation will develop from the south and gradually lift up to the north as we go into the evening hours. You see initially it's going to be in the form of a wintry mix. Some snow, sleet, maybe even some freezing rain. But as the system continues to move into the area and actually shift towards the east, we're going to have some cool air wrap around it, and then it will transition over to mostly a snowfall event. That goes all the way into the overnight into Sunday morning. Now, by early Sunday morning, the bulk of that snowfall will be lifting out of the area, but there could still be a few light snow showers that scatter through about lunchtime. And then afterwards, the sky should start to break a little bit. The snow should come to an end. So by the time it's all said and done, 3 to 6 inches north of Highway 10, south, still going with some accumulations, just a little bit less, about 1 to 3 inches of snowfall. Now, on top of the snow, it will be a pretty breezy day. We will see winds coming in out of the east and northeast. Could see gusts near 35 miles per hour, maybe near 40 at times. So that snow combining with the winds will cause some blowing and drifting. Right now it is 33 degrees, calm winds, so no wind chill factor to talk about. Across the rest of the area, upper 20s and lower 30s, 35 in Watoma. We've got 30 in Menominee and 30 in Sister Bay. Winds pretty light right now, will be the case as we go on into the evening hours. So 17 for an overnight low temperature, increasing clouds, light winds out of the southeast, 2 to 5 miles per hour. And then for tomorrow, starting off dry, but the afternoon and evening, that's when that system moves in here. High temperature of 35, but once the snow starts, those temperatures will start to drop down below freezing. Remember, spring forward overnight into Sunday morning, 35 once again on Sunday, then dropping below freezing on Monday, and then a gradual warm up, getting into the upper 30s on Wednesday, and then Thursday, high of 47 degrees. How about that for a little spring weather and also some spring rain showers as well? That'll wash off the roads of all the salt. Hopefully save you from a car wash.
Yeah, right. My car is a disaster. I don't know about yours. All the salt and the snow. And
they have been using so much lately.
I
so
know.
Hopefully this is a nice break for the road crews.
It's going to feel strange with the time change because it's going to, the sky's going to look like spring, but you're going to look on the ground and it's still the middle of winter. It's going to throw everybody off.
I know. Welcome to Northeast Wisconsin.
Yeah, I guess so. Wisconsin in March. Thank you, Gino. Well,